families, neurologists, so nurses and anyone to be able to effectively do that examination. It really increases the opportunity to get ahead of health issues, cognitive health issues, particularly asymptomatic health issues that don't present right there and then when the issue is present.
Yeah, so finally I think one more thing I want to add here. They are going back, but obviously they're definitely coming back. The beauty of it is, in order to take it forward, some of them will establish hopefully their operation somewhere in India, and Telangana has got strong prospect for that as well. Not only as a market, but also in many occasions Australian companies established as a development hub for global launch as well. In some of the Australian companies are already active in Telangana, and I've seen, as you probably know, in the cochlear implants, giving hearing back from hundreds of kids in Telangana. We've seen Australian company ResMed during the COVID time. They supplied hundreds of ventilators in Telangana public system, as well as providing some sleep apnea therapeutics. We have one more South Australian based company which is in biomedical engineering. They established their presence in Hyderabad. They run a biomedical engineering company out of Hyderabad supporting pan-India. They also support Indian students in biomedical engineering through internships. So the footprint of Australian technologies and solutions are not new, it's already here. So that was another good thing, that some of these solutions are highly regarded by both public and private sector, and they are aware of the innovation comes out of Australia, and this common mindset of innovation and making into a translational research. I think both countries share the same vision as well. One more thing, as you probably know, the Australian government recently announced that an antimicrobial resistance initiative between India and Australia. There is strong potential that the hub will be in Hyderabad. That was in the public domain announced as well. So in research collaboration and industry collaboration, I think Hyderabad plays a major role for Australian life science industry.
This model is already existing.
It is in making, so I know there are two pharmaceutical companies is collaborating with an Australian government initiative. It is going to be an India-Australia antimicrobial resistance hub.
When it was announced?
It was announced in February.
At what stage is this?
It is in the establishment stage. We know that there are a number of multiple visits has been done already, between industry and the decision makers.
What is the investment?
So it will be a research collaboration in antimicrobial resistance, and it will be matched by both industry and government investment. Australian government investment is coming through this consortium, but that investment figure is still around 5 million bucks. Any other